In today's video, I'm going to teach you Ultimate DeepSeek Guide 2025, how to use DeepSeek for beginners. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type DeepSeek and press enter. In the results, click the official DeepSeek website. If the site opens in another language, switch it to English so all menus and buttons are easy to follow. On the English homepage, choose Start Now to open the chat interface. You're now ready to talk to DeepSeek. Click in the message box and write your prompt. Being specific is the fastest way to get great answers. Instead of saying, "Tell me something fun," try, "What are 5 fun things I can do this weekend in a small town?" Add any constraints that matter, like your budget, time frame, preferred format, or audience. Clear inputs create clear outputs. Before you send, notice 2 helpful controls. The first is Deep Think. Turning this on lets DeepSeek take extra time to reason through complex tasks, like multi-step problem solving, planning, math, or explaining code. Leave it off when you just need a quick, lightweight reply. The second is Search. When enabled, DeepSeek can check the web for current information when it's necessary, such as fresh statistics, news, or recent product details. Keep it off if you want answers only from its built-in knowledge. When your prompt looks good, click Submit and give it a moment to respond. If the answer isn't quite right, refine your prompt. Add missing context, ask it to show its steps, or request a different format, like a checklist or a short outline. You can continue the conversation in the same thread so DeepSeek remembers the context you've already provided. To stay organized, open the sidebar using the icon in the upper left. Here you'll find your previous chats, which is perfect for revisiting a project, a study plan, or a brainstorming session without starting from scratch. For even better organization, open the 3-dot menu on any chat and rename it. Use clear titles you'll recognize later so you can quickly return to the right conversation when you need it. That's it. You've learned how to find DeepSeek, switch to English, start a chat, craft better prompts, use Deep Think for deeper reasoning, enable search for up-to-date info, submit your query, and keep everything tidy with the sidebar and chat renaming. Practice with a topic you care about, iterate on your prompts, and you'll see the quality of responses improve fast. Thanks for watching, and enjoy exploring DeepSeek.